Oh my God, you know what? It wasn't recording.
What?
Fuck.
I can't put it back on.
Sure we can. Let's throw some dirt up there.
Oh my God.
Aw, damn it. I'm sorry.
Today I'm going to do some pressure washing. So on the side of my house, you're going to see this right behind me here. I have this awning right up here. It's like a canvas awning. It's green with algae, and as well as the sidewalk, even the grill cover and the air conditioners. Usually you have to do this once a year. You can see just how dark the concrete gets from the leaves coming off of this old pin oak tree up above. And this awning has really gotten ugly. Even this grill cover, you can see where I pressure washed before. I didn't get it all, so I'm going to finish that today. Even the top of this air conditioner. And the pressure washer I'm using is an electric one. I got this on Amazon. It's just right for the kind of work I do around the house. It's not overly powerful, but it's powerful enough. 2300 PSI. That's electric. So you don't have that noisy, loud gas engine running constantly. You just pull the trigger and it starts. So I know there's a million videos on YouTube about pressure washing. It's very therapeutic. So I'm adding one more to the list. Sorry guys, I know that might be boring, but some guys actually like watching pressure washing videos, go figure. But anyway, this is how it looks the next day, all dried up.